Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Capital Group American Funds Review My Usage Experience. Capital Group American Funds Review My Usage Experience offers information and analysis on mutual funds offered by Capital Group, primarily targeting investors seeking in-depth knowledge before making investment decisions. It likely provides details on fund performance, investment strategies, and risk factors. Key features would probably include fund comparisons and historical data. Their website provides details on various American funds, including their investment objectives, historical performance charts, and expense ratios. The site itself emphasizes transparency, providing comprehensive information for informed investment choices. It's easy to compare different funds based on their investment styles and risk profiles. Ease of use is dependent on your investment knowledge, but the website presents information clearly. It lacks flashy graphics, focusing instead on data and clear explanations. Availability is worldwide, as the information is accessible online. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Capital Group American Funds Review My Usage Experience. I recently started researching investment options and stumbled upon American funds. Their website seemed daunting at first, full of financial jargon. However, after spending some time navigating the site, I found it to be surprisingly well organized. I was particularly impressed by their interactive performance charts, which allowed me to visualize the fund's growth over different time periods. I used the fund screener to filter funds based on my risk tolerance and investment goals, which helped me narrow down my choices significantly. The detailed prospectuses were initially overwhelming, but the site's clear summaries made it easier to understand the key points. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I found myself constantly needing to access the site via my laptop. I had a quick question about a specific fund's expense ratio, and their online FAQ section answered it promptly. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the information provided. While it takes some effort to fully understand the data presented, the website delivers on its promise of providing comprehensive details for informed investment decisions. It certainly helped me understand the nuances of different mutual funds better. That's my overview of Capital Group American Funds Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.